I don't know what I should do because I feel I'm doing everything that I can and I'm still not getting there. So if I don't know if anybody is watching me that is still starting a YouTube channel, it takes years. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Chelsea Ohenewa Nyako. I think I've never said my surname, have I? Anyway, today it's just me sitting in my room and about to talk to you guys whether YouTube is worth it or not, and then how much I've made since I was monetized in June of this year. But I have a cold, so my nostrils are blocked. So I don't know if you guys can tell that I'm talking from, like, my voice seems different from the regular voice that I use. I have my green tea here and my lemon. I'm going to be taking it as I'm talking. Hoping it helps. Anyway, so I was monetized in June of this year, 2024, and I've been doing YouTube since 2020 or 2021. I don't remember because I was doing my national service when I started this YouTube thing. And how I started was I was just, doing my national service. I used to always watch YouTube videos at work. And I was like, this thing is not even that. Yeah, I like taking pictures, I like taking videos. So my first video that I posted, I've even deleted it because it was so not nice. I was just in the office and I just recorded myself. Like, hi guys, this is my first YouTube video, blah, 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 blah. So that was it. Fast forward, I was making videos now and I'm going to work, day in my life, stuff like that. I have so many videos and you can tell from the videos how I have progressed. I'm still not there yet. I'm still trying to be better. From my editing, from my camera, my phone. I was using an iPhone 6 then and it was 16 gig. So whenever I had to edit a video, you know how videos, like at least it should be 10 minutes and then it takes so much space. So whenever I had to edit a video, I have to delete all my apps before I can save the video. Once I post it, then I will download all my apps again. So it's been a journey. Like I've stuck with YouTube for long and I feel YouTube is not appreciating what I'm doing. A lot of people can relate, a lot of new content creators. I know when you start, you feel you are wasting your time because it's like you are putting in so much effort, but you are not seeing the views, you are not seeing the growth. And then there are so many times that I'll be like, why am I putting in so much effort? If you know, like the video shooting is not even the problem. Shooting the content is not the problem. It's the editing. It takes so much time. I don't know how people like video editors, those that have that profession, do it, because when I'm editing a video, like a normal video, it takes me like 3-4 days because you can't sit at once and say that I'm finishing this. It's not possible. I don't know for other people. If I'm to sit on my buttons and then edit a video, it will take like an hour or two, but it just can't. It gets boring once you're editing. You'll be like, oh. And then sometimes too, once you sleep on it, the next time you open to edit again, you get more ideas and then you feel like, I should have done this instead. So it helps. But the editing is actually really stressful. But I was monetized in June. I'll show you guys how much I've made up until now. So June, July, August, September, October, November. It's been 5 months. And I checked this morning, I had made 52 Canadian dollars. It's for 5 months. And you can't even take that money out until you get to $100. Sometimes you make a video and then after a few days I'll go and check how much I've made on it and then they'll be like 50 cents. And I'm like, so all this effort, as I said, I've been doing YouTube for how many years? Like 4 years now. I wanted to quit so many times. Even with this monetization, I talked to someone and then he was the one that helped me to be monetized faster. I was almost there. I think I had like 20 hours to be monetized and then I think he texted me on Instagram and all that he can help me. I was like, okay, I have about 20 hours to be monetized, so if you can help, why not? Because I was getting tired. So once I got monetized, I was like, now I'm about to get money from YouTube, and then because you are putting the effort, you are creating content, people want to hear stuff, people want to hear what's going on in your life, and you are doing all this, and then by the time you check the video, you've gotten 50 cents. Like, what is that money? So that's what I asked myself. So is it really worth it? But sometimes I look at people like this demure lady, very demure. She said she's been creating content since 2014 or so. That's like 10 years. And it just took one video for her to blow up. She just went into a car, did very demure. Now she's getting money from all over the place. So many brands are calling her up and down and stuff. So those are some of the stories that sometimes when I read or when I see them, I'm like, should probably keep doing it. You never know. You know, sometimes you do a video, you be like, this video is the one that is going to make me blow up. Like this Calgary, I did a video when I went to Calgary. I was like, because I've been in Saskatoon, me going somewhere else and shooting content is going to blow up. After 1 hour, when the video was posted, I saw it. I went to check my YouTube studio. I was like, 6 views in 1 hour. I was so disappointed because I felt that video, I put in the effort. Like I went somewhere different and I shot the content and still it didn't go anywhere. So sometimes I wonder, is this YouTube thing really worth it? Because me, I'm getting to that point where I might just quit. But I think about it like, you've come so far. When you were not monetized, you were doing it. How much more now that you're monetized? So I'm always, whenever I'm posting a video, I always tell myself, I pray to them like, oh, is this video the one that is going to make me blow? Is this video the one that is going to make me blow? And then every time I get disappointed. Because nowadays when I just post, I leave it to the universe. I don't know. Some of my friends mostly text me be like, what am I doing wrong? Because they see my content, they like how I'm real, how I do my videos, but the views, like, I'm like, I don't even know. I'm doing everything that I think I should. Editing, title, thumbnail, tags. I feel I'm doing everything right. Sometimes I'm about to upload a video, or when I want to create a thumbnail, I go on YouTube and search for something that is related to what I'm about to upload. Then they'll mostly bring the most popular ones, and most of them have like a great number of views. So I'll be expecting that when I post mine too, probably I should. So I'll look at how the person captioned his or her video, how they did the description, and I take some inspiration from that to do mine. But I'll post it and it won't go anywhere. And sometimes I be like, there are people that have like 500 subscribers and their contents are doing well. So I don't know why mine. I don't know what I should do because I feel I'm doing everything that I can and I'm still not getting there. So I don't know if anybody has any idea why it is happening this way, or there is something I'm doing wrong, or if my content is not what people are looking for. I just don't know because I'm doing what I can. Just a second. It's hot. I'm doing what I can. So if you were me and if you've been monetized for 5 months and you've only made $52, would you still be doing this? If I was in Ghana, I think probably I'll be happy with $52 because that would be like 500 cedis or more. But here, what am I using $52? How do I even spend in a week? 52? Like, it's nothing. It can't do anything. It's something, but it's really not anything because comparing what I put in and what I'm getting out, it's not there. I almost made a post that I'm about to quit YouTube, but I don't want to be that person because I don't give up. Me, subscribers, some of you know that we don't give up over here. When we are doing something, we always do it till the end. Until it's the end, then we know that we tried to the end and nothing came out of it. That's when I quit. But I don't just wake up and quit stuff. I rarely quit stuff unless I've had it up to here, which YouTube is trying to get me there because the amount of times I want to quit this thing that I have not, but I don't think I wanna. So now, if you guys have noticed, I post like every 2 weeks, or sometimes I just don't post and I don't even explain myself because I'm just tired. You're posting and you're not getting anything out of it. But anyway, yeah, that's how much I've made. So I don't know if anybody is watching me that is still starting a YouTube channel, it takes years. You never know, but one day you might, as I'm also waiting for that one day video, that one day I'll post a video that is going to blow up. I'm waiting for that. Maybe this video is going to be the one, maybe not. Maybe that video is coming up, I don't know. But until then, I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I'll keep creating my content. I'll still keep on putting in that same effort. I'm not going to change because I'm not getting there. I'm going to keep on posting what I'm posting and hoping that one day it's going to happen. So that is all for today. It's just me ranting about how I'm putting in so much effort for YouTube, but nothing is coming out of it. Hope you guys, I don't know if you enjoyed this, but whatever it is, I'll see you guys again, same time next week. And sometimes I want you guys to suggest content for me. I know I'm lazy. That's one thing about me. There are so many things that are going on in Saskatoon. Like right now, when I go to town, last Sunday when I went to church, they've decorated the whole downtown with Christmas colors. Like I should actually go there and then shoot content and show you guys how it looks, shouldn't I? I'm so lazy. And I can't do, I don't know if I have social anxiety or something. I can't do stuff by myself. Like even when I'm alone and I'm recording myself with the camera, I'm always so shy. But if I have someone with me, like a friend, or just even if there's someone around me, if I'm going with someone, then I can do it. But if I'm by myself, I know nobody cares, nobody's watching me, but I still can do it. Like when I was starting the gym, I couldn't go to the gym by myself until one day I called my friend and let's go, and he was like he was not going to go, and I wanted to, so I went by myself, and that was how I came over the fact that nobody is actually watching you at the gym. I'm hoping for that moment in creating content when I can go out and do whatever I want without thinking that somebody is watching me, or being anxious, or being like scared. Hey, what if somebody is watching? Like that kind of thing. I don't know. So one day I'm probably going to get there, but I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. Suggest content ideas that you'd like me to do. If you want story times, I have so many stories, but that one too, I'm lazy. I can sit on my bed. That's one of the easiest content, like sitting and talking. I don't know if I should be doing that more often. Just sit in my room, talk about how my week went. Would you guys like something like that? Like just sit in bed and tell you how my week went from Monday to Sunday. Just a story time. Maybe I should be doing that, but I'm lazy. So let's see. So suggest content that you like to see on my channel, and I'll come your way same time next week with another video. Until then, stay blessed, stay in love, and do whatever makes you happy, because life is short. Peace out.